Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
तरी दोन्ही कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी पण विश्वजीत बाबूत पळयताले सिनियर राणी चडशे इन्वॉल्व जायनासले अबाउट तुमी चार्ज घेतले परयेचो
टोटल इलेक्शना पयलीं ना जाल्यार कशें जिखून येता आशिल्ले
तुम्हीच हे करतले
या people have elected me as their representative, so I am going to but he's been there in politics for so many years, so definitely I'm going to take experience. I'm going to take my father-in-law's advice, his advice. I'm new, though I've been working behind the scenes for so many years, but there are a lot of things to learn, right? I'm new, so I'm going to learn from, I think, my father-in-law. Can't have a better teacher than him, and my husband also, who is such a great administrator.
There won't be any differences.
No, no differences. I don't think so, because he knows best, and then he's given me that space to work, and then whatever it is before the final decision, I'll always take his advice.
मॅडम सरकारमध्ये एखादं कॉर्पोरेशन मिळालं तर तुम्हाला इच्छा आहे का?
Let's see about that. Let the leaders decide. The leaders decide करणार काय कॉर्पोरेशन कुठच्या MLA ला मिळणार. So after that we will talk about it once and if I get it.
मॅडम तुम्ही म्हणाले की इको टुरिझम खूप स्कोप आसा
Yes.
सो इन दॅट तुम्ही कशे फुडें मुखार इको टुरिझमाक
Hi, so like I've said before elections also, because my constituency hinterland patta, so I would like to do lot, because there is lot of scope for my constituency. The main like amche Anjuna Dam be maji constituency in patta. So taje khatira, like I mentioned, Surla is a pocket which is next to the Chorla Ghat, next to Belgaum, which has to be developed for ecotourism. Thank you.
रिअलिस्टिक बजेट न स्वप्नातले बजेट